Hello, my name is Bridget Talbot, and welcome to my Week 3 presentation. Today, I will be talking about digital transformation, or DX, in higher education. This topic focuses on how colleges and universities are making deep changes in their culture, workforce, and technology so they can remain resilient, flexible, and relevant. Over the next few slides, I'll explain what DX really means in higher education, highlight emerging themes and best practices, and then connect those ideas to my own profession. My goal is to show that DX is not just about upgrading technology, it is about a mindset shift that can change how organizations of all kinds operate and grow. What DX means. Digital transformation in higher education is much more than just adding new technology. EDUCAUSE defines DX as a coordinated transformation of culture, workforce, and technology that reshapes the strategy and values of institutions. The purpose of DX is to help universities become more resilient, more flexible, and more relevant in the future. When we say culture, we mean how decisions are made, how data is used, how institutions build trust and innovation. When we say workforce, we mean the facility, staff, and leadership who must take on new roles and embrace continuous learning. And when we say technology, we mean the systems and tools that are used strategically to support teaching, learning, and operations. So DX is not just about new tools, it is about a mindset shift that changes how education itself works. Culture shifts. One of the most important aspects of digital transformation is a culture shift that has to happen within higher education. First, institutions are moving towards data-driven decisions. Instead of guessing what works, universities now rely on analytics to improve student outcomes and guide policy. Second, DX requires agility and innovation. Schools have to be flexible, willing to test new ideas, and adjust quickly when changes arise, and adjust quickly when challenges arise. Third, culture is shaped by diversity, equality, and inclusion. A healthy digital culture ensures technology is fair, ethical, and trusted by the entire community. Finally, DX pushes for collaboration across silos. Instead of departments working alone, leaders and faculty focus on shared institutional goals. These cultural shifts create the foundation that allows DX to succeed. Without them, even the best technology would not create lasting change. Workforce and technology shifts. Digital transformation brings challenges in both the workforce and technology of higher education. On the workforce side, we see leadership roles emerging to guide strategy. Faculty and staff are expected to commit to continuous learning, and institutions place more emphasis on DEI literacy, so equality is built into the culture. On the technology side, there's a growing need for strong cybersecurity and more use of data analytics to improve decisions. Emerging tools like AI and VR are entering classrooms, and there is increasing attention to privacy and ethics in how technology is used. These shifts prepare higher education to be agile, innovative, and secure. Emerging themes. As DX continues, several emerging themes are shaping higher education. We will see personalized learning where technology adapts to individual students. Colleges are using student success analytics to predict risk and improve outcomes. Cloud and mobile access make education available anywhere, anytime. AI integration is helping with both administrative tasks and teaching support. Virtual and immersive learning with VR and AR is creating new ways to engage students. And finally, there's a stronger emphasis on agility and resilience so institutions can quickly adjust to changes like the pandemic. These themes show how DX is about building a student centered, future ready system. Emerging themes continued. As digital transformation moves forward, we are starting to see several emerging themes that are shaping the future of higher education. One theme is specialized learning. Technology now makes it possible to tailor instructions to individual students' needs and learning styles. Another theme is student success analytics. Colleges are using data not only to monitor grades, but to predict risk, improve retention, and offer support early. We are also seeing a push towards cloud-based and mobile access. Students expect to log in anytime from anywhere, whether a phone, laptop, or tablet. AI integration is becoming increasingly common, whether through tools that automate administrative tasks to help faculty design content more effectively. There's also growth in virtual and immersive learning using VR and AR and simulations to create more engaging learning experiences. And finally, institutions are focusing on agility and resilience, making sure that they can pivot quickly during crises like the pandemic while meeting students' needs. Together, these emerging themes show how DX is not just about technology, but about building a more flexible and student-centered future. Implications and conclusions. Although DX is often discussed in higher education, the themes continue directly to my own the themes connect directly to my own profession. For example, we use data-driven customer insights to understand client needs and improve our design process. I focus on employee training with digital tools such as 2020 design software, Canva, and Google Drive. Similar to how higher education trains faculty to adapt to new technologies. Our company also emphasizes agility and culture so we can quickly adjust to changes like chain issues or changing client demands. And finally, just like universities, we prioritize collaboration and inclusivity, making sure that every team member's skills are valued and used. In conclusion, digital transformation is about more than technology. It is about building organizations that are adaptive, inclusive, and future ready. And that's why DX is essential for both higher education and for businesses like my own. It ensures growth and long term relevance. I've included my references here, mainly from EDUCAUSE and Future Ready Schools, which provide the foundation for this presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that everyone has a fantastic weekend. Watch some football, Go Tigers!